How to redeem Duolingo promo codes. Let's get started. First up, I'm gonna show you guys how can you get promo code for Duolingo. For that, launch your preferred browser. In the search box, type in Duolingo promo codes and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get promo code for Duolingo. So go ahead and open any of it. Once you're on the website, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Duolingo. Just scroll down and check out the offers. If you found any of the code useful for you, you can copy it. Likewise, you can also check out other websites. All these websites will provide you tons of promo code for Duolingo. After you get the promo code of your choice, how can you redeem it? For that, launch your preferred browser. In the search box, type in Duolingo redeem promo code. Now navigate to this one website, duolingo.com, redeem. Once you're on this page, over here you can type in your code. Then you can click on redeem. With that, the code will be redeemed. So this way you can easily redeem Duolingo promo codes. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.